Alright, folks, grab your lab coats and a magnifying glass, because we're about to zoom into the wild, twisty world of DNA, the ultimate instruction manual for life. Picture DNA as the universe's most epic recipe book, tucked inside nearly every cell in your body, telling it how to whip up you from your eye color to whether you're destined to burn at the beach. It's like a cosmic chef shouting, "More freckles. Hold the broccoli tolerance." Let's talk structure. DNA's got this iconic double helix vibe, like a spiral staircase designed by a mad scientist. Discovered by Watson and Crick in 1953, it's made of nucleotides. Think of them as Lego bricks with a phosphate group, a sugar molecule, and one of 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, or guanine. I always pairs with T and C with G, like the world's pickiest dance partners. The sugar-phosphate backbone? That's the sturdy railing keeping this genetic party from falling apart. Now, DNA is organized into genes, about 20,000 to 25,000 of them, each coding for proteins like insulin or the stuff that makes your hair curly. But here's the kicker, only 1% of your DNA does the heavy lifting. The other 99%? It's like the mysterious miscellaneous drawer in your kitchen, regulating genes, shaping chromosomes, or maybe just chilling for evolution's next big idea. All this DNA gets packed into 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs, including the XX or XY that decide if you're team pink or blue. And at the ends? Telomeres, like little DNA shoelaces that fray with age, reminding us we're not that immortal. How does DNA do its thing? It's a two-step dance called protein synthesis. First, in the nucleus, DNA unzips like it's ready for a big reveal, and an enzyme called RNA polymerase whips up a single-stranded copy called mRNA. Think of it as a post-it note version of the recipe, swapping thymine for uracil. Then, in the ribosomes, mRNA gets read in 3-letter codes, like a genetic TikTok dance. Transfer RNA swoops in, delivering amino acids to build proteins. Boom, your body just made hemoglobin or maybe some extra earwax. Before your cells divide, DNA's gotta make a perfect copy. Helicase unzips the strands, DNA polymerase slaps on matching nucleotides, and proofreading enzymes swoop in like grammar nerds to catch typos. But sometimes, mistakes slip through. Hello, mutations. These can be inherited, like your mom's knack for burning toast, or caused by UV rays, chemicals, or viruses. Some mutations are harmless, others cause trouble, like sickle cell anemia or cancer. Big oops? Chromosomal mix-ups, like Down syndrome from an extra chromosome 21. Luckily, your cells have a repair crew: mismatch repair for replication goofs, nucleotide excision repair for UV damage, and double-strand break repair to keep cancer at bay. But when things go south, you get diseases like Huntington's or multifactorial messes like diabetes. The good news? Science is fighting back with gene therapy, CRISPR-Cas9, and personalized medicine that reads your genetic barcode to pick the best drugs. Oh, and get this, if you stretched out the DNA from one cell, it'd be 2 meters long, 6.5 feet. With 30 trillion cells, your body's DNA could stretch to the sun and back 600 times, or to Pluto for a round trip. That's enough to make a wheat plant jealous. It's got 5 times more DNA than us, but who's baking better bread, huh? So, there you have it, DNA, the tiny, twisty code that makes you you. It's a genetic masterpiece, a mutation-prone troublemaker, and a scientific superstar. Next time you look in the mirror, give a wink to the double helix that's been running the show since day one.